नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज आपसे बात करते हैं, रूबरू होते हैं, बात करते हैं। शाम का माहौल है, कुछ बात करते हैं एंटरटेनमेंट की, कुछ बात करते हैं मनोरंजन की। मिलवाती हूँ आपको उभरते हुए उन सितारों से जो कहीं ना कहीं खुद का शौक तो पूरा कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन दूसरों के लिए नए नए दरवाजे खोल रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उनको प्रेरणा भी दे रहे हैं। सिडनी में तो थोड़ा बारिश का मौसम है। आप लोगों के वहां पर भी मौसम अच्छा होगा ऐसा मैं मान रही हूँ। और ऐसे मौसम में क्या चाहिए? एक गर्मा गर्म चाय का प्याला, अपनों का साथ, और एक बहुत बढ़िया सी मूवी, बहुत अच्छी सी मूवी जो आपका दिल खुश कर दे। तो ऐसे ही एक मूवी के लिए हम बात करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारी सिडनी की लोकल प्रोडक्शन है, लोकल प्रोड्यूस है, जहां पे सभी लोगों ने साथ में मिलकर एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास किया है। उसका नाम है होप, द एसेंस ऑफ बीइंग। चलिए उनके प्रोड्यूसर्स से मिलते हैं और जानते हैं इस फिल्म के बारे में। साहिल जी एंड समीक्षा, वेलकम टू हरिताज कन्वर्सेशन।
थैंक यू हरिता।
साहिल जी, आपका स्वागत।
Thank you, Harita, for inviting us. Thank you.
सबसे पहले समीक्षा आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि
Hello?
ये एसेंस ऑफ बीइंग, ये पूरा टाइटल तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं होप के बगैर हम कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते। आइडिया किसका था, साहिल जी का या समीक्षा का, या दोनों का आइडिया साथ में था और यू कम टुगेदर?
इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। साहिल भाई बताएंगे कि मैं बताऊं?
एनीबॉडी, यू गो अहेड।
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है।
आइडिया तो समीक्षा का था। या
यस साहिल भाई, आप बताइए। शायद उनका आवाज कट हो रहा है।
अच्छा, ओके। सो इट वाज मेरा आवाज कट हो रहा है। एनीवे, सो आई विल टेक ओवर कि समीक्षा, लाइक समीक्षा इनटू द मेडिकल प्रोफेशन एंड कई लोगों से मिलती रहती है। एंड शी इज वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड अ क्रिएटिव लेडी एज वेल। तो हम लोग ऐसे शी कम अप विद मी एंड शी said कि Sahil, I have a story and would you like to interested in producing the movie and directing the movie? So I said okay. So because she worked for a small role in my first film as well, so I knew her, and then we sit together, we developed the story, we wrote screenplay together as well, and then we went on floor.
Okay.
एंड हम एडिंग टू इट के मेरे पास ये स्क्रिप्ट, लाइक आई जस्ट थॉट अबाउट दिस स्टोरी एंड मैं सोच रही थी कि हु कैन डू द जस्टिस टू दिस वन, एंड आई थॉट ऑफ साहिल भाई बिकॉज आई विथ हिम मैंने एक बार काम किया है एंड आई वाज सो इम्प्रेस्ड विथ हिम दैट he is a wonderful writer, he is a wonderful how he puts things and how he considers others, दूसरों के फीलिंग्स और सब कुछ समझ में वो समझ सकते हैं। तो मैंने उनसे इसलिए अप्रोच किया कि like let's do it together, and he just like as sensitive as I am, he was similarly, वो हम एक पेज पे हमारी sensitivity थी, so he understood the concept and he got into that mode, and then we started writing और हमने मतलब पूरा किया, बहुत ups and downs, ये वो हाँ ना करके, and finally we made it.
Okay. I think कि ये कोरोना का जो लॉकडाउन पीरियड चल रहा था उसी के दौरान आया है। So how did this story story idea, जैसे समीक्षा ने कहा उनके पास स्टोरी थी, आपके साथ शेयर किया और हो गई, बट ऐसा नहीं रहा होगा कि कोरोना का टाइम है, उसी टाइम पे हम मूवी बना रहे हैं, लॉट्स ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, लॉट्स ऑफ चैलेंजेस उसको प्रिपेयर करने में, तो उसके पीछे की जो बैकग्राउंड जो स्टोरीज होती है, बिहाइंड द सीन स्टोरी होती है, उसके बारे में थोड़ी सी बात कीजिए।
क्या है कि साहिल भाई और मुझे दोनों को है ना चैलेंजेस लेके ही खेलना अच्छा लगता है। वी एंजॉय वर्किंग विद चैलेंजेस। अगर इजी गोइंग हो जाता है ना तो मजा नहीं आता है। तो कोरोना का टाइम था तो हमारे पास रिस्ट्रिक्शंस में भी हम एक नई चीज कैसे ला सकते हैं वो हम सोच के हमने वी जस्ट वेंट अहेड विद दिस।
ओके साहिल जी, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड ऑल द एक्टर्स?
ओके, और दूसरी so actors, so because this is my fourth film like in a row, so because of this fourth film, like I did a lot of screen tests and I have a team of actors, plus during the screen test I know lots of people, so I talk to them, and I keep in mind, that if I do the sketch, I have in my mind, okay, this girl or this one fit for this role, whatever. So it is in my mind. My database is ready, So that is
Your
good thing.
database is
But
ready.
one thing I would like to add to the question, the previous one, where like,
Yep. Please go ahead.
yeah. So previously, when Samiksha said in the Corona, yeah. So in a Corona, what we did is when we write the script, that the number of actors film are people only. Location is 2-3 location only. That was that was our key to work within the Corona environment.
Oh. So the whole compact movie is done in 3 to 4 location. That's another a good experience. बहुत सारी ऐसी मूवीज होती है जो लोगों को ज्यादा कैच करती है कि जो कम से कम लोकेशन में हो लेकिन स्टोरी लाइन जो बहुत स्ट्रांग हो उसी के आसपास कहीं पर बनी रहे. हारून जी, थैंक यू सो मच. आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, आपको ये अच्छा लग रहा है, वेलकम. सो बात करते हैं कि ये होप द एसेंस जो स्टोरी है वो है सत्य घटना पर आधारित. कहाँ से ये स्टोरी का आइडिया आया, उसमें किस हिसाब से है, कौन से इमोशंस की बात की है? आशा की बात जरूर की है क्योंकि टाइटल ही बता रहा है, आशा की बात है. चैलेंजेस की बात होगी, कहीं ना कहीं जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाने की बात होगी, आगे बढ़ने की बात होगी. टाइटल के इस आसपास स्टोरी का कुछ हमें बताइए, कैसे हो, क्या है इस फिल्म के अंदर?
Starting with Sahil bhai, then I'll add on to it.
Okay.
Okay, so ये मतलब एक child है. I don't want to reveal the story, but a child is
no. I'm just not saying reveal the story. I'm saying it was a teaser.
It is a okay. So idea था कि hope, child is a subject, but idea की hope कहीं ना कहीं manifest होता है. एक तो हमारे अंदर hope है, ठीक है, like our upbringing, we are a human being, we have a hope, but all around, like whole the universe is manifesting hope somewhere. It might be either on me. If I lose the hope, someone else will come and give me the hope. Mm-hmm. So hope is like a divine commodity, divine commodity. But you have to go to that tipping point where hope will become your essence of life. You have to reach to that tipping point. So like I'll quote Agye is my favorite Hindi writer. He said कि एक कहानी एक बिंदु तक कहानी हम बनाते हैं, बिंदु के आगे कहानी हमको बनाती है.
अरे वाह, क्या बात.
So our goal is to bring the story to that point where we reveal the hope, and then hope will spread in the viewer's mind or in the whoever will watch.
अरे वाह, that's good. Yes, Samiksha, you were saying something.
Yeah. So hope was like, as he said, like उन्होंने तो बहुत अच्छे से explain किया, तो अब nothing left for me, but still movie is all about hope. यहाँ मतलब कितने लोग लाइफ में एक दूसरे को hope दे सकते हैं. It's all about losing and gaining hope. This movie is about how you lose hope, how someone else gives you hope, and how hope transfers from one person to other. Like it's all about that. It's basically on a child. एक छोटा बच्चा है उसमें, उस पे पूरी मूवी आधारित है. So once you see, you will get a clear picture. अभी हम थोड़ा सा ही बताएंगे आपको.
और सभी लोगों को बता दूं कि ये मूवी सैटरडे को रिलीज हो रही है, और उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन या ज्यादातर इंफॉर्मेशन कमेंट्स में नीचे दिए जाएंगे. हम साहिल जी और समीक्षा से वो मांग भी लेंगे लिंक्स अभी थोड़ी देर के बाद. सो यू कैन गो एंड यू कैन वॉच इट. इट्स वर्ल्ड वाइड अवेलेबल. सो हम जब बात करते हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड अवेलेबल, चैलेंजेस और ये जो सोशल मीडिया है, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज, जो होप अवेल करता है, सो इन दोनों के बारे में बताइए कि किस हिसाब से वो चैलेंजेस भी आपके सामने आई ये मूवी बनाते वक्त, एंड व्हाट आर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, व्हाट आर द होप्स यू कैन सी व्हेन यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग द मूवी on the social media platform and reaching the world with the message, with your emotions, with your expressions, connecting the people, connecting the movie lovers.
I think इनका connection थोड़ा सा weak है. I'll start with it.
Yeah.
Sorry if I have not understood it properly. लेकिन मैं like कनेक्शंस और उसकी बात करूंगी कि लाइक सोशल मीडिया जो है उसके बेसिस पे हम लाइक वी लाइक हमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आए हैं, चैलेंजेस आए हैं, एंड वी आर ओवरकमिंग लाइक वर्किंग विद अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट. एक छोटा बच्चा था, जस्ट ही वाज 4 years old. उसके साथ हमने काम किया था, तो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आए थे. अब इस चैलेंजेस को हम सोशल मीडिया पे कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें होप है कि लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू गिव दिस मैसेज टू होल वर्ल्ड, और हम ये मैसेज देना भी चाहते हैं because we have worked so hard and we are still facing some challenges, but I know there's a hope, and hope is going to go on social media, and that is going to go worldwide through you, Harita.
Thank you. But there must be some interesting incidences or the challenges kind of thing must have happened behind the scene, because when you are making a movie, there's so many of the things happen all together. So if you can share some of the challenges or the incidences which become a memory kind of thing, which you can never forget.
Memories and sorry behind the scenes, Sahil bhai will tell, because I was one of the actor in it, so I was busy in acting. And behind the scenes, Sahil bhai have done all the good. He has shared a lot of memories with all other people. So I think he will share his experience.
Okay.
What happened on the very first day is like when we started doing the shooting, we have a 4 teenage girl on the set, right?
Okay.
So Pari, Zeel, Purva, and Bij's daughter, teenage girl on the set, and everyone wanted to work, right? But I can give work to one person at a time.
Okay.
For capping, like scene number or action or whatever. And the other three girls are obviously, they said they felt left out. So then I stopped and I went to them and I talked to them. And I said, "You're very good. I need your help." And all the teenage girls. So I just talked to them and I thought, oh my God, this thing going to be difficult for me. And they all after like when I talked to them and they felt connected and immediately they started working. I mean, it was a different story apart from the film. Okay, it was a different story. So that was one incident. Was like I felt like I used my management skill.
Oh, okay. You need to be a manager as well.
I think he managed everything behind the scene. He managed 4 teenager and 3 teenager boys. I think 3 to 4 teenager boys as well. So he was managing, and it was his first experience. Sahil bhai have never managed teenager kids, and he was having a beautiful experience behind the scene. I hope so.
Samiksha, you must have interesting experiences when you were remembering your dialogues and giving the deliveries. Some of the emotional funny thing turned into the emotional scenes kind of thing, if you can share.
Yeah, I'll share that. Initially this was like, actually I worked with Sahil bhai. Pehle picture mein maine kaam kiya tha, but like short film mein, but that I didn't have some dialogues, not major one. And in this, I had too many dialogues, too much of like emotions and like little bit of like different things जो मुझे first time करना था. तो first day of the scene, first shot of the scene, मुझे इतनी डांट पड़ी है कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ. और मैं like रोने जैसे भी हो गई. साहिल भाई डर गए कि ये छोड़ के ना चली जाए सेट. और फिर then slowly मैं थोड़े पेस में आ गई, and then I did something, but like that was little bit के real emotions आए हैं मूवी में या fake emotions पता नहीं है अभी. Actually मैं literally crying on the first scene.
Ji Sahil, you are saying something.
Then I'll add on to this. So what happened? हाँ, तो वो जो character जो है, जो Samiksa is playing a character, and it's a doctor, like she herself is a doctor, so it's a character of a doctor who believes in values, so she's a professional doctor, but she believes in value, so she prioritizes the values over her profession. Okay, that is the story. So in this, it is very natural for Samiksha to act. Actually, it is very natural. It is personality is like, right? I say you did not act. You just do whatever you are doing. And she thinks like it's acting, so she's loud and अब मैं क्या करूँगी, something like that, you know. I said, don't go loud. It's your personality. You just do yourself. And then I think most difficult thing is being yourself. So,
being yourself in front of camera is the most difficult thing.
That's what I'm saying. Especially in front of camera, it makes things complicated kind of thing, because you want to give your best, you want to be yourself, you thinking about the audience, you think about the delivery, about the people. So,
and in every emotion, though मैं खुद अपने आप को मतलब like you know I was not myself, क्योंकि कैमरा था, इतने डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, को एक्टर्स, दूसरे like all the crew people, इतने लोग खड़े हैं, उसके सामने खुद बनना था. हार्ड है.
So ये हार्ड चीज पर से या हार्डशिप पर से ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि सिडनी में या ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे, किड्स होंगे, टीनेजर्स होंगे, या फिर वो लोग होंगे जिनको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, फिल्म मेकिंग, एक्टिंग, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसिंग, जो अलग अलग क्षेत्र हैं फिल्म निर्माण के, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं दिलचस्पी रही होगी, इंटरेस्ट रहा होगा, अभी भी है, लेकिन उन्हें पता नहीं है कि कैसे शुरुआत की जाए. Because you have already begun your journey in this field, if you can share some of the important tips or importance how you can make a movie from, you know, as a baby step and enter into this field.
Over to Sahil, because I think उनका connection थोड़ा सा weak है.
मेरा थोड़ा सा लो है. So anyway, so the first thing is the YouTube. To watch the, like, whenever you want to do the movie, there are, if you see one of the good website is called Studio Binder.
Studio Binder, okay.
So go and we go videos for there, right? And in Studio Binder there are various types of videos. So you just what I am in movie making, I focus on a script and work on script. Currently, a few days I just watch the videos on script. Then few days I watch the videos on script. And I just taking notes. There is a one tip, and second tip, when you go on, you'll find lots of script in the movie. Like for example, I got a fugitive movie script, 2010 movie script. So I download the movie script. I take the movie script in my hand, and I watch the movie again and again. So I think these two things will help in filmmaking.
Okay.
And I'm just a phone call away or a message away. They can send message to me on the phone call.
और मैं मानती हूँ कि खुद पे अगर कुछ करने की इच्छा हो तो you should do it. You should just go ahead. Like, you know, just keep going. I am not an actor. I was not a writer. I was not anything. Like, no, मैं इस field में I was nothing. But I had a wish कि मुझे अपना जो experience है मुझे इसमें डालना है. And you get help. Like, you know, the whole universe gives you.
No, so, that I got it. Yeah. But my question was like, जैसे साहिल जी ने कहा कि when you want to take a first step, and that's the most difficult thing. एक बार वो पहला कदम उठ जाता है तो फिर पूरी journey easy हो जाती है. But the first step is the issue. And as Sahil ji said, you have your script, you watch the movie again and again and again. That gives you the idea how the movie is made, how the script is written, or some of the you know, very micro management what is required kind of thing. And as Sahil ji, if I can ask you as a producer and as being in this field, do you think the social media helps a lot nowadays for the emerging people, for the emerging artists?
Yeah, of course, it has a lot. Like I follow lots of filmmaking, lots of, like maybe 10 or 50, maybe around 20 or 50 filmmaking group. I follow them. And there are lots of tips there on the Facebook, on YouTube. Every day you have something. So.
Well done. So I think I'll share you are already tagged in this video, but I'll tag you again. So if anybody wants to get in touch, you can get in touch, take the advice, share the knowledge, ask the questions, and interact. I think this is a short movie. So, and it's coming on Saturday. What about the long movie or a feature film? Is it a future for you guys?
Yeah.
What's the future plan?
Okay, so look for. Sorry, thoda. Okay, so we like next year. I want to make a full feature-length movie, and I wrote the script in during the lockdown. So script is ready. Just fine-tuning is pending in the script. So maybe this is my plan at the moment, that I'll start doing shooting in April, long weekend, and for every long weekend till June long. So maybe a 4 or 5 weekend. I'm planning to do the shooting, and early February I'll do the screen test for the movie. So cross the fingers if I'm able to make the full movie next year.
That's very cool. Yeah. So all the actors across the Australia, if you want to take part in a movie, that's the chance coming up for you next year. A feature length movie, it's coming up. So get ready for the auditions. If you have a beautiful locations, you can share, you can talk, or एक्टिंग और प्रोडक्शन के सिवाय भी बहुत सारे पहलू होते हैं. कैमरामैन की जरूरत होती है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर की, डायलॉग राइटर की, ये वो. किसी को भी कुछ भी इंटरेस्ट है, देन यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट समीक्षा एंड साहिल जी, बिकॉज दे आर द कॉन्टेक्ट पर्सन टू एंटर और हैव योर फुटस्टेप इनटू फिल्म मेकिंग इंडस्ट्री इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया at the moment. There are many, but they are one of them, and they are continuously in effort to help and assist the emerging actresses or the emerging talent in the field of filmmaking. So I wish you all the best. If you can share where people can go and watch your movie on Saturday. Is there any link, or if it's there on the YouTube, how do they search it?
Yeah, we are going to release it on YouTube and many other platforms.
I put the link of my YouTube channel.
Okay. So I'll share the link in the comment box, so don't miss that. And Saturday, what time?
Releasing time would be suspense.
We haven't decided, but something around 6 or 7.
In the evening?
Yeah. We're not decided.
No, because if people go on Saturday morning and click on that link and they don't find this, so that's, doesn't kind of disappointment. So if they know it's in the evening, they don't jump on that link in the morning time kind of thing. So that's why I'm asking on Saturday evening time. We will have a link in the description. It's on YouTube. Like the movie, share the movie, watch the movie, and share among your friends who are across the world. Thank you, Samiksha and Sahil ji, for this conversation, and I wish you all the best, all the success.
Thank you, Harita. Thank you for inviting us, and it was a pleasure being with you.
Thank you.